A lot of you guys been asking me, when is Mama Chosen coming back to do another recipe video with me? So here she is, and this time she's helping me do a traditional soup that us Haitian eat to celebrate our independence and freedom. We call the soup soup choumou, and it might be the best soup out there, don't at me. This soup is like a big warm hug. It's so delicious and flavorful, and I'm so happy Mama Chosen came and helped me because I definitely didn't want to mess this up. And one thing I want to quickly mention is that coming from Tampa, Florida and going to Atlanta, Georgia is very different. We had such a hard time finding the ingredients that we needed for this soup. We went to like 5 different locations and we still couldn't find everything we needed. But hey, thankfully she brought this all the way from Haiti. I don't know how she got it through, but she did. And I'm saying this because although it looks like a pumpkin, it's not a pumpkin. It's in the same family, but I think it's closer to like a squash. So if any of my Haitian folks can clarify in the comments, please let me know. And don't worry, your boy ain't stingy. I'll make sure to put all the ingredients in the caption below, so make sure you read that. My mom kept bragging about how we only had to use a quarter of that squash because how superior it was to the other ones out there. My mom had to switch to some shades when we was cooking over the fire because she just had eye surgery, so her eyes is really sensitive right now. Fun fact about this soup is that when we were enslaving Haiti, our oppressors, the French, they said we were not allowed to eat this soup. So when we won independence from them and kicked them out, we made sure that we eat this soup every day on our Independence Day. So all my Haitians out there, happy Independence Day. A country may not be where we'd like it to be, but it's all good and very nice, baby, because we will get back there.